So welcome to the ThePhilipEffect. In this tutorial today I'll be showing you how to change, or not actually change, like you want to write your number plate on this part of your Umweltzone. That is like environmental zone. You get this number, actually you get this what is it called? Is it a ticket? Not a ticket, like a sticker. So we'll call it a sticker. So you get the sticker when you get a new car or whatever. In Germany, you get the sticker if your car works with if it meets the requirement, and this number would always signify the level. And for this car it was 4, but after some driving you can see the number plate is no longer written there, so then we'll be putting the number there. And actually you will need a hot gun. That's what we'll be using. So we heat it up from here and then we'll peel it up from inside, and then we can write it on it. We heated it from inside. We're doing so from outside. You need to always check if it's darkness. So with this one, it's, you can see, you can do so with a knife or something. So you can see it's coming off gently. So for this video, for this one, I decided to write it from inside, so we didn't actually need to remove the entire thing. So wrote it the other way around, so you can see it, and then we can cover it up this way. So I just try to push it up. Let's see. I think it worked without it. So now we have it back. Press, 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 press. So we'll be taking a look from outside now, so you can see. Yeah. Good shot. So there you have it.